Hey guys, it's Charlie from Holly's Garage, and today I'll be showing you how I made over this Queen Anne desk. This is what it started out as, so if you want to see the transformation, then just keep watching. This desk belonged to my aunt, and it's still in really good condition. It's got some solid wood legs, and it's got a veneer top. The top was super hard and shiny, so we're gonna fix that in a minute. First, I pulled out my easy strip and I put it all over the top. I covered it in plastic wrap, and then I let it sit overnight. Next was sanding, and even though I had used the stripper first, it still took a while to get all of the finish off. Here you'll see me making slow progress, but I sped it up so you won't be too bored. I got this foam pad attachment for my sander here, and it really helped me out in hugging the round edges on the legs. Here I'm sanding down the drawers to get it ready for the primer, and I'm using my favorite primer, the Kills Spray Primer. I like it a lot because it's really easy to use. It's oil-based, which is always a plus, and it's pretty cheap. Oh, also, if you're doing this inside like I am, just make sure to wear your mask. I'm mixing a dark brown paint into a gray paint that I found at the Oops section in Home Depot. Next, I noticed a little paint booger in my drawer, so I just took a little, what is that even called? I don't know, one of these tiny little files to kind of get it smooth, and then I sanded it with my hand. Here I'm paint washing the legs in the same color, and I used a 3:1 water to paint ratio here, and then I'm just wiping off immediately with a shop towel. So this is after the second coat of paint, and I just did like a brush on with the paintbrush and then rolled off with a dry foam roller. And here you can kind of see like what the texture looks like, what the finish looks like. It's really smooth. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it with a Scotch-Brite pad. It's really flexible, really bendy, and so it'll just be really gentle on your finish. And after I do this, it'll just smooth everything out, remove any little pokies, and then we're gonna poly over it. And that's how we do it here at Holly's Garage. The bottoms of the drawers were kind of rough, so I just sanded that down and then waxed over them too. And then I also just waxed the insides of the glides. So I'm gonna be using these knobs. These are just some knobs that I took off of old dressers that I replaced with new hardware. But basically this little one is gonna go on these smaller ones, and then the bigger round one is gonna go here. And I don't really know what color I'm gonna do it yet. Yeah, I don't know, probably not gold. I might want to do like a darker one, not black though, but yeah, we'll just see what happens. So I did do a light layer of black as a base coat, and then I think I'm gonna go over it with just another light spray coat of antique bronze. So this spray paint here now is called dark bronze. Then we're gonna go in with a super far away misting of that gold. This just will give the hardware some little flecks of gold, which I think looks really good. I was so worried here that I had messed it up, but it was okay.
That's how you do it at Holly's garage.
Now I'm just gonna screw in all the hardware and put the drawers back in the table, and we're done. I really love how this came out, and I'm super proud of this. I'm actually gonna keep this one. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.